There are two lines here, they are coplanar. Then which one is the correct option here? So this is a formula. Two lines are coplanar if this condition satisfied here. Therefore, using that determinant of so 1 minus 2. Then 4 minus 3. Then 5 minus 4. So 5 minus of 4. 1 minus k. 1 minus k. Then k 2 1 that is equal to 0. 1 minus 2 gives a minus of 1 into bracket. 1 into 1 is 1 minus of 2 into k minus of minus plus 2k. Minus 4 minus 3 gives 1 here. 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus of k into minus k square minus plus k square here. 5 minus 4 gives 1 here. Into bracket 1 into 2 becomes 2 minus of k into 1 is k here. That is equal to 0 here. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 2k minus 2k. Then the minus of 1 minus k square. Then plus 2 minus of k, that is equal to 0. Yes, minus k square here. Minus 2k minus k gives minus of 3k. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes a 0. That is equal to 0 here. Minus k is the common factor here. Then write k plus 3 in the bracket here. Therefore k is equal to 0. Or k is equal to minus 3 here. So 2 values of k. So third option is correct here. So an equation of the plane parallel to the plane x minus 2y plus 2z minus 5 equal to 0 and at a distance unit distance from the origin is again 4 options here. So here any plane parallel to the plane ax plus by plus z plus d equal to 0 is of the formula ax plus by plus z plus d dash equal to 0. Means these three terms are same here. Only difference is this constant here. Similarly, distance of the point x1, y1, z1 from the plane ax plus by plus z plus d equal to 0 is a modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus z1 plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. We are using these two results here. Okay. So any plane parallel to the plane x minus 2y plus 2z plus minus 5 is equal to 0 is of the form x minus 2y plus 2z plus d is equal to 0. Okay. Next, take this one as equation number 1 here. And also they given a distance of the origin from this plane is 1 unit distance. Okay. And distance of the point 0 0 0 origin 0 0 0 from the plane one is 1 in. They are already given its distance is 1 unit here. So using this formula, modulus of replace x by 0, y by 0, z by 0. So 0 minus of 2 into 0 plus 2 into 0 plus d divided by root of so 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square here, that is equal to 1 here, is equal to 1. So these three terms becomes 0 here. So modulus of d here divided by root of 9, square root of 9, that is equal to 1 here. Therefore, modulus of d. So root 9 is 3 here. 3 ones are 3 here. So write here 3. So if you remove this modulus, then you can write plus or minus 3. Use this one in the equation 1 here. Therefore, 1 becomes, equation 1 becomes x minus 2y plus 2z plus or minus 3 is equal to 0. According to the option here, first one is stated, x minus 2y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0. It is the required plane here. So if the line x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to z minus 1 by 4 and x minus 3 upon 1 is equal to y minus k by 2 is equal to z minus z upon 1 intersect, then k is equal to what here? So therefore let us consider x minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to, so z minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to some constant r here, and x minus 3 divided by 1 is equal to, so y minus 4 divided by 2, that is equal to z divided by 1 is equal to s here. Therefore take this to this side here. So 2r, take minus 1 right hand side, it becomes plus 1 here. 3 into r becomes 3r, take plus 1 right hand side, minus 1 here. 4 into r becomes 4r, and minus 1 becomes plus 1. Okay, as well as, so 1 into s becomes s here. Take minus 3 right hand side, it is a plus 3. 2 into s becomes 2s. Take minus 4 right hand side, it becomes a plus 4. And 1 into s is s. Are the points lies on the given lines respectively. Okay, since the lines are intersected, therefore this is equal to this here. Since lines are intersected, we have x coordinate must be equal here. 2r plus 1 is equal to s plus 3 here. S plus 3. Then take s this side, 1 this side here. 2r minus of s, 3 minus 1 becomes 2s. Take this one as equation number 1 here. Similarly, y coordinate is this here. 3r minus 1 is equal to 2s plus 4 here. 2s plus 4. Then actually there is a k here, not a 4. There is a k, so write here k. Therefore 2 into s becomes 2s, and here minus k becomes plus k. Therefore so 2s plus k. Take here k, not 4. Yes. Take 2s this side, 1 that side here. Sorry. It is k. So 3r minus 2s is equal to k plus 1 here. So take this one as result number 12. Then equating z coordinate here, this equal to this here. So 4r plus 1 is equal to s here. Then 4r minus of s is equal to minus of 1. Take this one as equation number 3. Then solving 1 and 3. Okay, solving equations 1 and 3. So 2r minus of S is equal to 2. Then 4R minus S is equal to minus of 1 here. Change the sign here, minus plus plus here. Minus S plus S cancels here. 2R minus 4R is a minus of 2R, and 2 plus 1 becomes a 3. It is a 3. Therefore R is equal to minus of 3 divided by 2. R equal to minus 3 upon 2. Then put R equal to minus 3 upon 2 in any one equation here. Take equation number 1 here. So put R is equal to minus 3 by 2 in the equation 1 here. Therefore 2 into minus 3 divided by 2 minus of S is equal to 2 here. Then this 2 will cancel here. Minus 3 minus S is equal to 2 here. Take 2 this side, S that side here. Minus 3 minus 2 is equal to S here. Therefore S is equal to minus of 5. Okay, S equal to minus 5 and R equal to minus 3 by 2. Use both values in the equation 2. Therefore from 2 here. From second equation 3 into R is there. 3 into R value minus 3 by 2. Then the minus of 2 into S is a minus of 5. Then this is equal to K plus 1. Okay. Then the 3 3s are 9 here. Minus 9 divided by 12. Minus into minus plus. 5 2s are 10. Take 1 left side here. Minus of 1 is equal to K. Then take an LCM here. So this equal to 2 LCM here. So minus of 9 keep as it is. Then plus 10 2s are 20 and 2 1s are 2 here. Minus of 2 is equal to K. Minus 9 minus 2 becomes minus 11. 20 minus 11 is 9 here. 9 upon 2 is equal to K. Therefore the value of K is 9 upon 2. C is the correct option. Yes.